So, what is corona discharge? Another name for corona discharge is action of point. Okay. When you see the sharp edge, the electric field is inversely proportional to square of distance, where radius is lesser, where the electric field is more. At the edges, electric field is greater. That means more charge will be accumulates at the sharp edge. Electric field is greater, so more charge will accumulate at the greater edge because their electric field is greater. Okay. If more positive charges are there at the edge, the atom which are present in the vicinity has neutral electrons were there in the outer orbit. These electrons will be attracted by the positive charges. What do you mean? If the electron is removed from a positive charge, it means it takes one positive charge. The atom remove one positive. Again, I'll repeat the same thing. Very simple concept. When the neutral gas atom goes nearer to this edge has large number of positive charge, it takes the electron. Once one electron is moved, it becomes positive charge. What do you mean? A positive charge gets leaked out. This is called corona discharge. Very simple. Simple சொல்லணும்னா ஒரு நியூட்ரல் ஆட்டம் சார்ஜ் ஷார்ப் எட்ஜ் பக்கம் வந்துச்சுன்னா it loses electron. In other words, it become positive charge. In other word, positive charge gets leaked out. This is called corona discharge. So எப்படி எழுதலாம்? At the sharp edges, electric field is large. First point, electric field is large. Second point, at the sharp edge, positive charges were taken by the so large positive charge will be developed. Positive charges developed at the edge. Develop at the edges. These positive charges were taken by the nearby gas atom. So the charge in the conductor started leaking out. That means it attract electron, mean the positive charges started coming out. So the positive charge leaked out from the edges. This is called action of point. So ரொம்ப சிம்பிளா சொல்லணும்னா leakage of charges, that means positive charges from the sharp edge of the conductor. Sharp edge of the conductor is called action of point. At the sharp edge positive charges ஈஸியா அட்மாஸ்பியர் லீக் ஆயிரும். இதுக்கு பேர் தான் corona discharge. அப்புறம் ரொம்ப சிம்பிளா சொல்லணும்னா the total charges at the sharp edge goes out from the sharp edge. This process is called action of point or corona discharge. அப்போ நம்ம ஓல்டு புக்ல இப்படி இருந்திருக்கோம் சில புக்ஸ்ல leakage of charges from the sharp edge of the conductor. Why positive charges were leaked out from the charge vectors? Presence of neutral gas atoms surrounding it. The neutral gas atoms are there existing around the sharp edge. So this neutral gas atom attract the electron, so that that edge will attract the electron because the more number of positive charges are at the edges. So the electrons were attracted, mean positive charges were leaked out. That's the meaning of it. Okay, thank you.